What's going on, everybody? Noah Harrison again. Reason you don't see me is, hey, we're doing this show in the house again, and just wanted to take a trip on this on the house again. I want to show you guys the outskirts of the house here. Hey, let's get right into it. As soon as you walk in, hey, we got a stairs. Boom. Walk in. All right. Look at this here. Look at this. Would you look at that? Look at that. See, look at different sinks. People have different sinks in their homes. You're looking at houses. Just check out the dishwasher and see what they got going on. Oh, we got some dishes in the dishwasher, Playboy. Hey, man, what we got going on in here? They selling the house. Hey, the dishes included with the house, or?
If it's here when you sign, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, you might want to check things when you want to purchase a house. Make sure, they ain't leave no dishes in here for you. Some extra groceries in here would be nice. A voucher, maybe? All right, guess not.
I don't think it's looking.
Yeah, but look at them cabinets, though. Look at the sink.
Oh, the cabinets are nice. They soft close.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Sometimes you want to touch the cabinets, open them up, look at them. Get the vision of, what would you put in here? I don't know, for the people out there in the world, you might do the couples thing or, whatever y'all do. Y'all got the vision. And shit's nice. I don't know if people make cakes in life, or what they do, but this is some good space right here. I personally hate cooking. And if you know me, you know I hate cooking. Look at this nice little fan right here. Look at the nice hardwood floors. Let's see, let's go right here. Let's check this out. Bathroom downstairs, which is always good. Keep the guests downstairs. Keep the guests downstairs. Don't come upstairs for nothing. All company stay downstairs. Look at my guy again, he's camera shy. You might want to check out the fireplace. Nah, got a bad bag. Hey, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Just making a video here.
Oh, okay. I'm Greg, by the way.
Huh?
I'm Greg.
Hey, how you doing, Greg?
Hey.
Yeah, just come in. Got the inspector here inspecting the house. Cool guy. Man, check out the backyard. So one thing's important too, when you find a house that you want to get it inspected. So, hey, these are for, training purposes only. And just to give you guys an idea, when you want to get a house, some of the things to consider. Because people, you want to know what's wrong with the house. So when you actually submit an offer in on a house, once you get qualified, and now you submit an offer, it gets accepted. And now we move forward, and now we're going to inspect the house. For more information or more specific information, you can definitely inbox us, give us a call. Myself and my team will be more than happy to help you. Let's see what they got going on out here. There you go. So plenty of storage unit. You got one here. You got one over there. Maybe you and a wife like a garden or something. Let's see here. I'm gonna head upstairs. Cool glass through here. Man, these stairs is killing me. So we opened up this. Yep, washer and dryer machine. Remember in my last video, I said typically you want to get a washer and dryer downstairs in case this bust on you is gonna leak, and it's gonna do what it's gonna do. However, if they're upstairs, no big deal. Look at this brand new carpet. Looks good. I like this. You know, nice little open windows. Look at that. See what they got going on in here. Little walk-through closet. Look at that. Brand new carpet like that. I like that. Let's walk through. So there was a bathroom, half bathroom downstairs. Here's a full bathroom upstairs. Boom. I like that. Open up all this stuff here. You know. Look at the sink though. Look at all that. Look what we got going on here. Nice clean tub. Sometimes, you know, you purchase a house, you know, they don't clean the tub like you should, but you know, when you purchase a house, you should clean the tub anyway. I like that. I like that. Sometimes you gotta order these off Amazon or something, but you know, they got good taste. They got good taste. I like that. So, you know what I'm saying? So let's close the doors around here. This will be the bathroom. We got a little space out here, you know what I'm saying? Do a little bachata here, you know? Don't worry about that. Hey, so we in here, we out. You wanna make sure you mess with this stuff here. Oh, I like that. Look, got a little cozy in here. Hold on. Dim the lights, okay. I like that. Let's go on to the next room here. Hardwood. This might be an office or, you know, something for the kids maybe. Like that. This is the first room, small room, you know, something for a kid. Maybe an office, nothing too bad. And you got this bedroom right here. Probably another kid, probably again, or mid-sized adult. I don't know. People that don't pay rent probably would be in this room, or don't pay much of it. Yeah, it's a little small in here. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. This will go back into the bathroom. You know, linen closet right here. Looks good. Looks good. Again, this is just trying to give you guys some ideas and everything on what you want in a house. Brought some of my guys, my team out here, got the inspector out here. And they're gonna inspect the house thoroughly, make sure everything is good. All right, so, hey, comment on these videos and subscribe too, by the way. And let me know what y'all think about everything and give me more feedback. All right.